Hello and welcome to Lydia Hawk Designs. I like playing with loose gemstones, and I have tried Googling, finding any sort of craft ideas that I can use to incorporate loose gemstones. These are really pretty tiny gemstones. They don't have holes in them. Now I started using these by setting them in resin. Not embedding them in resin, but setting them in resin. I have a video on that. I have pictures. So here are a few pictures of what I did. I was able one year to create butterfly resin pendants with birthstone gemstones set in them for all the mothers in my family. And they loved them and they're gorgeous, but it is extremely time consuming. This year, a friend of mine is a new mother, and I thought it would be really nice to do the same thing, but instead I'm using lockets. Now I found these lockets, this one I found at Joann's, very pretty. It has rhinestones around the outside edge. And for hers, so as you can see, I've got a Tree of Life charm, peridot for August, clear quartz for April, because I don't have diamonds, and blue topaz for December. So for my friend, whose pendant I already sent to her, and hers was a different pendant I found at Hobby Lobby, you can find them at different craft shops. These are particularly nice. I like this heart locket. It has kind of a Celtic looking edging, and most of my female friends are Irish, so hence the Tree of Life charm. So for recreating hers, we're going with garnet for January, blue topaz for December, clear quartz for April, and peridot for August. Now the garnet is a really pretty heart shape. It's really pretty heart shape. So we're going to do that for January. We're going to go with an oval shape for the blue topaz. This is a circle for peridot and an oval for clear quartz. And they all fit in there very nicely. These are very small. Yeah, so it's really pretty. I have one for myself, and as you can see, mine has the Tree of Life charm, and there is also amethyst for February, aquamarine for March, emerald for May, sapphire for September, and blue topaz for December. So there you go. If you're the type of person who, like me, has gemstones with no holes in them, and you're not a professional jeweler and you do not know how to set them, this is a great idea for a Mother's Day gift, Christmas gift. To me, it's like buying flowers, except that they last because they're very pretty and it's personal. It's very special. And I only make handmade things for gifts. So for me, this was a great opportunity to honor the mothers in my life and make them smile. And it does. It puts a big smile on a mother's face when you give her something like this. Thank you so much for stopping by. Until next time.